These are the newly modernized elevators at Sterling Square or Plaza. I think it's Plaza. In North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are usually Dover Oildraulic with Impulse, but they just got modernized by Hadfield with Innovation Universal. The garage elevator is still original, at least as of right now. Blue light is here at 5. Still its original door operator, so I'll click connect on the one. I don't know what floor, however. Was this one always taller? Maybe they typed taller during the model. That's not what it worked. It's a nice redone cab. This is actually a really nice redone cab. It still has the mirror in the front. It's actually a nicer model than I thought. That would be stopping it for. Is where the front is still mirrored, except for the new COP and the new call buttons are brushed. I'm not sure why they did that, but yeah, otherwise it's a nice mod. They actually put really nice new cabs in there. But they kept the original door version. I'm not sure why they did that, but whatever. London here, there's a desk outside. That's gonna be it.